Over the next few videos, we're going to build an AVL tree from scratch. But just like the previous sections, I want you to do this on your own first and then see my solution. So here's what you should do. Create a new class called AVL tree. In this class, we should have a private class called AVL node. And for now, I just want you to implement the insert method, just like the insert method we have in our binary search tree class. So for now, don't worry about rebalancing the tree. Just insert the new value at the right location. Now, this time I want you to use recursion to implement this. So if you look at the implementation of the insert method in our tree class, we can see here we're using iteration because we're using this while loop and we're constantly going to the left or to the right child until we find the right place to insert the new value. So this is one way to implement the insert method, but we can also use recursion. And this is what I want you to do in our AVL tree class. So this way you can put these implementations side by side and compare them. So go ahead and spend 15 minutes on this and then come back see my solution.